Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to view your Facebook location history. So before starting this video, be sure to like it, subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and subscribe with notification on to get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to check your Facebook location history, it's pretty simple, but before that you need to have enabled your Facebook's location. Otherwise you won't be able to see your Facebook's location history. So I've already enabled my Facebook's location history. So now to check my Facebook's location history, let's just click on this three line which is at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Click on setting and privacy. Click on settings. And once you're in settings, scroll down until you see location, which is at the privacy bar. Click on location. And over here, as you guys can see, my location is enabled. By clicking on it, see my location is on. And to check my location history, as you guys can see location history right below location axis, click on location history and click on view your location history, and it's gonna show you your location history. So my today's location history, I don't have any history for today, so nothing is being shown over here. But if I had it, then it would have been shown over here in the place where it says you don't have any location history. But you can just click on the map as well to see where your location is today. As you guys can see, my location is turned on. So yeah, basically that's it. So that's how you check your location history on Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.